Hey, it's Phil's Enterprise. Ever wondered what really connects your phone to the world? Let's break down the magic that happens between your device and the nearest cell tower. Baseband unit, BBU, remote radio unit, RRU/RRH, antenna. Each plays a unique role, reason you can stream, scroll, and call from just about anywhere. First up, the BBU, the brain of the operation. At the base of the site, processing signals like texts, calls, and videos. BBU tasks, encoding, decoding, managing data traffic. It's all about speed and efficiency, making sure data gets where it needs to go fast. But BBUs can't broadcast directly. That's where the RRU steps in. RRUs are mounted near the antenna, high on the tower. They convert digital signals from the BBU into radio frequency signals. Only radio waves can travel through the air to your device. BBU and RRU connect via fiber optics or sometimes coaxial cables. Fiber optics, the gold standard, transmit huge amounts of data at lightning speed with minimal loss. That low-latency, high-bandwidth link enables real-time gaming, HD video calls, and massive downloads. The antenna broadcasts those RF signals, blanketing the area with coverage. In a crowded city or a rural village, integration between BBU, RRU, and antenna keeps you connected. BBU, RRU, and antenna keeps you connected. Moving from 4G to 5G and beyond, components are becoming smaller, smarter, and more efficient. Smaller, smarter, and more efficient. Innovations like centralized BBUs and distributed RRUs are reshaping infrastructure for more flexible, reliable networks. Next time you make a call or stream a video, remember, there's a lot of tech behind the scenes keeping you online. I'm Phil's Enterprise. Thanks for tuning in.